Hello everyone, this is Dr. Akash Gupta, aesthetic dermatologist in Neuro Skin and Hair Clinic, Kolkata. We had a previous patient of ours who had undergone his hair transplant surgery in Neuros. So we'll be talking with him and ask him about his own opinion about his journey throughout the hair transplant surgery. We use sapphire blade technology, no touch technique. It is a kind of a technique where we don't touch the roots of the grafts and we place the hair implantation procedure so that the patient gets 100% natural and aesthetic results. Am I correct, Mr.?
Yes.
As you can see, the patient is having a beautiful hairline and combing and brushing through the hairs. It's completely natural and he has no issues, no hair fall, nothing. So how would you ultimately sum up your journey of hair transplant surgery in our setup?
Actually, initially I was a bit scared. I thought, how would the surgery go? Is there any pain or not? Or if the result will come or not? But after coming here, after discussing with all the doctors, after going through the journey through transplant, it was a very pleasant experience. And as you can see, my results are visible.
Thank you, sir.